Derron Oakley, one of the partners, Drive Patrol out of Carlisle, Ohio. We're pretty new to Matterport. We actually purchased it right before the first hurricane last year. As soon as the call comes in and the crew gets out, the gentleman that is doing the Matterport is dispatched to meet the guys out there. If it's a drying job, 3 to 4 days later, right before they're going to pull equipment, he goes back out again and gets it with all the demo done and all the equipment set in place. So we can actually show 2 jobs to the insurance, one before we did anything and one after demo and equipment set. And that's what really strike the interest with the Matterport system, is because it does document everything as 3D. It eliminates most of the questioning on, did you do this or did you do that? We need a picture for that. The first adjuster we had utilized it with was a large loss adjuster, and we had told him about it and he had never heard about it. So we met him out there on site when he was doing his site inspection and did it with him. So he's seen the whole process, he's seen the camera, seen the iPad of what it looks like. And within 48 hours we had him the uploaded document to him so he could view it, and he was absolutely amazed and blown away. And on that one we also did the sketch for Xactimate, so he didn't have to worry about drawing it. It sent him everything he needed, and he became a big believer from the first one. He was sold on it, and he basically said, submit me a bill. I would have a lot more time in it, and I have no issues with paying for it because it saved me work.